YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today we're going to be discussing a brand that I just recently got into, that being Spider. Now this brand is by Young Thug. Now this was the luxury streetwear brand that he was like promoting a long time ago. Back, I think he did like a video with Hypebeast, and he had them like a little bit backstage and stuff, showing them just pieces and different things like that. And I think he had a show, I can't remember, but I was just like following the brand page and just like studying, just sitting back and just watching, just trying to see when they were gonna do the next drop, because I wanted to actually like buy into the brand and actually support the artist, because I am a super big fan of Young Thug. And I really want to say that I am super surprised with the quality of this hoodie. Like it really shocked me, and I bought into the hoodie. Like at first, like when I was like following up on the hoodies and everything, I didn't know that they were gonna have the stones on them and everything like that. And I just really just think it's a cool, clean piece. It has the puff print, you know, all those revenge heads love the puff print. I thought that was pretty dope. I actually think the printing of the spider web on the hoodie is actually a pretty clean contrast, with it being like a darker green on top of the light green hoodie itself. And I just thought that this piece in particularly was just super dope, and I just had to have it inside of my closet. I know it's super hot right now, and I'm probably not going to be able to wear it at this moment, but that is just something that I just wanted to just have. And I really want to say, like, I am impressed overall with the blanks itself. Now the retail price was $175, which I never bought into the brand, so I was expecting like V-Long prices. I was expecting like the hoodie to be going for like $300, but with tax and everything came up to $200, which that is fair to me, honestly, because I was expecting the worst. I was like, oh man, I'm not really trying to spend $400 for a hoodie today, but I will if I have to. But yeah, this hoodie is definitely worth the money, I would say. And I know resale is pretty up there. They're taxing. Like I've seen, like the lowest I've seen is like $375, like $375 to $400, but they mainly go for around like $5 to like $4. That's what I'm seeing on the market. And I just want to say, overall, I'm pleased with this blank, man. This blank is just super decent, super thick. It's really nice cotton, and on top of it, it fits true to size. You know, this is what the revenge hoodies want to be. And I just really just love this fact that the sizing fit true to size, because I wasn't really sure how this was going to go. I was like, should I just size up to be safe? I'm not sure. Never dealt with this brand before. I didn't know who to talk to. I didn't really get that much information from like reading like comments and stuff like that on Instagram. So I was just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna just go true to size. I'd rather just have something that was fucking too small and too long on me and look like a dress, because I'm short as fuck. But overall, the sizing on this is pretty decent, I would say. And I just really love the printing. The printing is super dope. The placement of the stones is really nice. Now, one thing I do have to say about the placement on the stones is I wish on some parts of the puff print they didn't place the stones on there, just due to the fact that I know puff prints crack, and that can lead to me losing stones also. But that is like later on down the line, stuff like this you want to get dry cleaned, or you just want to like really take delicate care of when washing this stuff. You can't just like just throw this shit in the dryer and just like say fuck it. But yeah, this is a really clean piece. I'm super excited to see what more the brand has in store. I'm definitely going to be following. I'm definitely going to be trying to buy more pieces and bring more content to this channel from that brand, just because I overall just like the aesthetic and I like the designs. They have some really clean designs, and I want to say thanks again for checking out the channel. I appreciate everyone coming through. I want to say thanks for all the support I'm getting on all my other videos. Please check out all my other videos. If this is your first time coming to this channel here, I review Revenge and FTP, different brands like that. And I want to say thanks again. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you felt about the hoodie. I feel like this hoodie is definitely a nice piece to have in your collection, and especially if you're just like a fan of Young Thug, like it's just really good to support an artist. Like I'm always willing to support Yeezy with whatever he's doing, just because I am a super big Kanye fan, and it's just gonna be the same with a lot of people, you know, like certain people. I'm not just gonna be going out and buying Soldier consoles. I'm gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. But yeah, thanks again. Peace out.